Well, hello and welcome to Clean Nuts. Today we're talking fuel pressure. Because Weber carbs like between 1.5 and 3.5 psi. So I bought a gauge. So that we insert in line. That screws into there. We measure the fuel pressure. Let's see what we got. So a bit of PTFE tape round to seal it up. Right, so we've got the fuel gauge spliced in, and we're going to do two tests. One's a static test, one's a running test. And we're looking for pressure between 1.5 and 3.5. Static test first. It's nearly 4. At this point I can hear fuel dripping down on the floor. There's a lot of fuel that come out, and that's a real risk of fire. So I started mopping up and thought about what to do next. Off with the air cleaner. Let's see if we can see where the fuel's coming from. Gosh, that is pouring out. Time to take the top cover off and look inside the filter housing. You can see some crud in there. I think that's blocked the float chamber valve. Off with the top cover. Let's take the floats off. Just drifting the pin out with a drill actually. Found a bit of crud. Don't know what that was. There's your needle valve there. Looks in good condition. So blasting it out with a bit of brake cleaner. Clearing out that crud that we saw down in the filter housing. Giving it a blow through. Putting the needle valve back in. There's a little ball bearing on a spring at the top of it, can you see it? That's what gets pressed by the floats as they rise. So putting the pin back in with a persuader. Which goes in when it's lined up. Here you can see the tab of the float just touching that steel ball, and there it is under pressure. So you measure the float height using an 11mm drill in the centre of the float. So it looked all clean, looked all working. Let's see if we can put it back together and see if it holds pressure. In with the bolts. I've reused the old gasket. So wind them all in. I'm making a mistake here on that one there. I've forgotten to put the bridge that holds the throttle return spring on. So on with the cap and gasket, in with that little filter and on with the cap to that. Nip it out with a 19mm spanner. So back out with that bolt, put the bridge back on and back in. So I'll put the pressure gauge back on. We'll do a test with the filter off, see if it's stopped the leak. Here we go. Pressure's up. Nothing's coming out.
Fixed it.
Back on with the air filter. See if it starts. Holding pressure again. into it. Running fine. Well, we've got away with it without causing a fire, which is a big plus. So, off with the fuel pressure gauge. I think on reflection, the fuel pressure is a little bit high. And I'm probably going to buy a pressure relief valve and put that in. But I'll save that for the next video. But I hope you've enjoyed me playing with my Westfield 7 and getting close to burning the place down. So like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy these videos, and I'll see you next time on Clean Nuts.